again, I thank each and every one of you for coming out. The park in total was a little over $2 million. We've got a playground for everybody in the family. The whole thing is covered with shade. We've got a splash pad. We got the water shoots out of the ground. There's no equipment. There's nothing overhead.
The city of Margate has never, ever looked better than it does right now. And this park right here, out of all of them, in my opinion, is the biggest game changer. This event is absolutely incredible, and the park is one of the best here in South Florida. It's brand new, it's artificial turf. It's probably the biggest game changer out of all of our parks in our city.
I'm thrilled. I'm a 40-year resident. I've watched Margate change. I've watched the parks get run down, and something like this is just a testament to the faith that the residents have in us. It's a great thing we've done, and I'm glad everybody came out to enjoy it.
This park is your park. Without your confidence in us that we were going to spend the park's bond money correctly, this could never have happened. So all I've got to say is thank you.
This is Vinson Park. This has been a long time in coming. And I just want to thank every single person who voted for the Parks Bond to look at this park and say, this is what I did to make my city better.
Guys, we're here today at the opening of Vinson Field. Been a long time coming, but look at the field. It looks beautiful, and the kids are out here having a blast. Drum roll. Yeah, my son Michael was the catcher of the first pitch. We've been out here for now 12 years with me and my two boys, and it was an honor to have him come out here and catch that first ball.
I'm happy to catch the first ball and glad to be here. I think Cale Curtis threw the best and accurate, and also Mike Jones.
It's a wonderful transformation from what we had here. It's a welcome addition to our city, and I know it will be enjoyed for years by our residents and residents of other cities. Just to see the children walking up today with the excitement in their eyes, carrying their little backpacks with their baseball bats and their helmets in it, it just touched and warmed your heart beyond words.